Are you facing this kind of issue? This site cannot be reached, or DNS probe finished next domain. If you are facing this kind of issue, then you are at right place. In this video, I will teach you how to solve this kind of issue. First, you have to log in your Cloudflare account. After that, select a domain name and then click on DNS and click on the record and create a new record. Click on add record and in this name section put subdomain name, like in my case mcq.loisclubsnepal.com. Here subdomain is mcq, so I put here mcq, and here you have to copy and paste this IP address and click on save. Here I have edited successfully this record, and now go back and click on refresh. Click on reload. Here we can see site has been successfully loaded. You can also solve your problem in this way. Thank you for watching this video.